Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best tool sets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Black+Decker Drill and Amp Home Toolkit. This is a complete toolkit, including a power drill along with pliers, wrench, a hammer, and other accessories. That being said, it is a lifesaver, allowing you to tackle various home projects and repair work with ease. We love the inclusion of the 20V lithium drill as it enables you to assemble furniture, update fixtures, hanging wall decor or frames, and do much more within no time. With a battery life of up to 18 months and easy-to-use controls, this power drill is always ready to go. Not only this, but it also features an 11-position clutch that prevents stripping and overdriving of screws, making it convenient to work with. Furthermore, the tools and accessories are packed in a carrying bag for easy storage and portability. Hence, you can carry it around to different locations conveniently without losing essential items. Pros: drill is easy to use. Incredible battery life. Includes essential home tools. Tackles various home projects and chores. Cons: cloth bag provided for storage. Number 2. Our second best pick is Apollo Tools DT9706. Despite being a 39-piece toolkit, it includes all the essential tools required to carry out most repair work around your home. From a hammer, wrench, and knife to scissors and hex keys, it includes every tool needed for small tasks. In fact, you will also be pleased to know that Apollo has also included a precision screwdriver set to offer convenience and increase its versatility. Furthermore, the tools are packed within a compact storage box, which is small enough to fit inside a cupboard or kitchen drawer with ease. That being said, the storage and transportation of this complete set are smooth and hassle-free. Apart from being compact, the molded case features a sturdy and convenient design, allowing you to carry it around for everyday projects without the fear of damage. Not just the case, but the tools are also strong and durable as they are heat-treated and chrome-plated for corrosion resistance. Pros: compact and sturdy storage case. Chrome-plated tools. Complete set with essential tools. Cons: versatile and portable. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT Mechanics Toolkit. Equipped with 204 pieces of hand tools, the DEWALT Mechanical Kit focuses more on ratchets and sockets compared to the other options on the list. In other words, it serves as an excellent choice for those working on projects requiring a large number of nuts and bolts. Furthermore, with its 72-tooth gear system, you can gain precise control while ratcheting with high torque. Not only this, but the ratchets are designed with a slim body for easy and quick access, even in the tightest spaces. It doesn't end there. Keeping your comfort and convenience in mind, DEWALT has provided its sockets with a non-slip gripping surface, allowing you to get the job done without any hassle. Apart from this, the sockets are clearly marked to help you identify their size and make a choice according to the job requirement. Pros: easy maneuverability in constricted areas. Non-slip gripping surface. Easy socket size identification. Precise control. Cons: bulky sockets. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Crescent 170-piece general purpose toolset. Expect to be blown away by the extraordinary level of quality provided by Crescent in this general purpose toolkit. Made using chrome vanadium steel alloy with a flawless chrome finishing, the ratchets, screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools are highly durable. In fact, they are formulated and heat-treated as well, ensuring strength and resistance against corrosion and abrasion. Furthermore, its 72-tooth quick-release ratchets, featuring a 5-degree arcade design, will help in getting your job done within no time. Apart from this, the sockets provide a stronger grip on fasteners while reducing fastener rounding, thanks to their off-loading corner design. That being said, you can use these tools to complete projects, repair work, and more with comfort and convenience. Coming to portability and storage, the tools are packed in a sturdy molded case, featuring a handle for easy transportation to different job sites. Pros: highly resistant against corrosion. Offloading corner socket design. Portable mold casing. Ratchets with 5-degree arcade design. Cons: quality control issues related to the case. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Hi-Spec Auto Mechanics Tool Kit. This premium kit is curated with assorted tools, including ratchets and sockets, especially for tackling automotive and mechanical tasks. In fact, the selection of tools is made from chrome vanadium steel for increased durability and ultimate precision while surviving the toughest work conditions. Apart from long pliers and heavy-duty combination pliers for cutting, twisting, and bending wire, the kit also includes a voltage tester. Using this, you can detect the presence of current and maintain a stable connection. Coming to its storage case, it features a robust build, allowing you to store your vast selection of tools safely and securely. Not only this, but its compact size helps in easy storage and portability to various job sites. You can store the kit in your cupboard or shelf at home to be well equipped for anything that comes your way. Pros: handles mechanical and automotive tasks easily. Robust storage case. Includes voltage tester and earthing lead. High-grade 72-teeth ratchet drive. Easily portable. Cons: quality control issues. The case does not hold tools in place. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.